Some effects instantly make a website feel more premium without being overwhelming. The tilt image effect is one of them. As you hover over an image, it subtly lifts, tilts, and responds to your cursor. It creates a depth, adds interaction, and makes your design feel alive. And the best part, in Divi 5 you can build this effect entirely without writing any single line of code. And in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can make this smooth professional tilt effect using Divi 5's interaction systems. So let's dive in. Now before we proceed, I would like to mention that we have a complete tutorial where we have mentioned everything step by step how you can create these tilt image effects, and along with that you can also download the JSON file for the template that we are going to build in this video. So if you want to follow along or you want to use the JSON file in your project, then you can go ahead and check out the link in the video description below. So let's go ahead and create a row with 3 columns, and we are going to add one image module in each column. So let's upload your images and arrange them side by side. Now if you want consistent spacing, adjust the column gap at the row level instead of adding padding individually. This keeps your layout clean and easier to manage later on. So let's upload your images and arrange them side by side. Along with that, it's also a good idea to label your elements clearly. So go ahead and rename your images and columns accordingly. And this is going to make our job easier when we start applying interactions to these. Now before we add interactions to these images, let's go ahead and style them a little bit. So go ahead and click on any of the image module and go to the settings panel, and then click on the design tab, and then maybe start by adding a border radius somewhere around 8 to 16 pixel. Along with that, we can also go ahead and add box shadow, but make sure you keep it very subtle. And of course, you can go ahead and use design variables for things like border radius. Now, once the styling of our native images is done, it's time to customize the hover state. So now go ahead and switch to the hover state using the state indicator in the settings panel. Once you are in the hover mode, go to transform and increase the scale slightly around 103%. This should work perfectly, and this creates that subtle lift effect. Next, go ahead and enhance your shadow. Increase the vertical position and blur so the shadow becomes deeper and softer. This combination, scaling up and deepening the shadow, gives the illusion that the image is lifting off the page. At this stage, we are creating the visual part of the effect. Now let's bring it to life by adding interactions. And this is where the magic happens. We are going to add 2 interactions, one for the movement and one for the tilt. So go ahead and open image module settings and then go to advanced tab, and from there you will find an option it says interactions. So let's go ahead and add our first interaction. Set the trigger to mouse enter, set the effect to mirror mouse movement, and set the target to image itself. Make sure you use translate as the movement type and keep sensitivity low, maybe around 10. This makes the image move slightly as cursor moves. Now let's go ahead and add second interaction, and this time we are going to keep the target as column instead of the image, but we are going to keep the same trigger, but change the movement type to tilt. Go ahead and increase sensitivity. Around 50 works really well. And this creates the 3D tilt effect. And here is what's happening. The image moves slightly on X and Y direction, and the column tilts in 3D space. And together, they create natural responsive effect that feels physical and interactive. Once the first image is working, you don't have to repeat everything manually. Instead, go ahead and save your settings as a preset. So go ahead and create an element preset of the style image. So this is a perfect example how Divi 5 makes advanced design techniques accessible. Small interactions like this can dramatically improve your site's feel, making it more engaging and modern and interactive. And this is just the beginning. Once you understand how interaction work, you can create much more complex animations and effects across your site. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.